Hello everyone and welcome back to Violet. Today we are going to be making this beautiful picnic basket. First you're going to start off with getting some brown cardboard. You can use any kind of color cardboard, but I decided to go for brown. You're going to need a ruler and a pencil too. You're going to mark about 6 centimeters in all 4 corners. Days fade into a watercolor blur. Memories swim and haunt you, but look into the lake, shimmering like smoke, rises the moon. Now you're going to lightly sketch a rectangle in the middle. Close your weary eyes. I promise you that soon the autumn comes to darken fading. Now that you're ready with your sketch, you can cut all of the 6 centimeter lines that we made earlier. Now you're going to fold on the lines of the rectangle that we made. You can go over the crease with scissors to make it stronger. But tread the water, child, and know that meanwhile rises the moon. Days pull you up just like a daffodil, uprooted from its garden. I don't really know how to explain this, but just do what I'm doing in the video. You'll be visited by sleep. I promise you that soon the autumn comes to steal away each dream you keep.
There will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. He will tear your city down. Olay, 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 olay.
So this is how it looks when you're finished. Now you're going to grab another piece of brown cardboard and measure 2 centimeters.
And there will come a poet.
Now you're going to line up the ruler with the 2 centimeter mark and create a long line along the long side of the paper.
He will say you with his tongue. Olay, olay, olay.
Now cut out the long strip. You're going to fold up the edges by about 1 centimeter. Line up the ends and fold that same crease again. Now you're gonna grab your basket and see where you want the handle to go. On the little crease that we folded, we're going to put on some glue on the inside. You're going to grab your basket again, and the little spot where we put glue on, you're going to place onto the basket and hold for a couple of seconds so you know the glue has fully dried in place. Do the same thing for the other side of the handle. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye!